In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the QDIM command in Autocad to quickly add multiple dimensions and speed up your workflow. This is a handy tool, especially for those of you looking to speed up your dimensioning process within your projects. Whether you're working with baseline or continued dimensions, or if you have a series of circles and arcs that need dimensioning, QDM is designed to help streamline your workflow by creating a series of dimensions quickly from the selected objects. Let's begin by setting the stage. Imagine you're working on a project that requires a consistent, precise dimensioning of several objects. In scenarios like this, the QDM command can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. The first step in using QDM is to select the objects for which you want to create dimensions. Carefully choose those objects to ensure accurate results, because the QDM command will rely on your selection to generate dimensions efficiently. Once you've selected the objects, navigate over to the Annotate tab in Autocad. This tab is your go-to place for all things related to annotation, offering a variety of options for adding details to your drawings. Within this tab, locate the Dimensions section. Here you'll find the Quick DIMS option, also known as Quick, which is pivotal to executing the QDM command. Clicking on Quick will initiate the dimensioning process. However, for those who prefer using the command line, AutoCAD offers another way. You can simply type QDM in the command line and hit Enter. Both methods will bring up the QDM command, setting the stage for you to determine how these dimensions will appear. After activating the command, it's time to think about the distance of your dimensions from the selected objects. You have a couple of options here. The first is to visually adjust the distance by moving your mouse. This method offers flexibility, allowing you to see in real time how the dimensions will sit in relation to the objects. Alternatively, if precision is what you're after, you have the option to type in a specific numerical value. Entering a precise distance ensures that your dimensions are aligned perfectly according to your project's requirements. This wraps up the essentials of using the QDM command. It's about understanding how this tool can save you